So yeah, guys, there you have it. Look, I'm minding my business, doing my day. The next thing you know, my windshield stopped working on me, bro. So I had to try to make it all the way over.
One of the arms came off.
Hold up. You said the arm came off.
One of the arms came off.
What
There's two arms. Look over here. Come over here. See? That arm right there is supposed to be attached, and it's not.
Oh. Oh my God. When it rains, it pours, bro.
Yeah.
So what? It's something that you can disconnect, this, like put back on, or it's just fucked up to where you need a new one?
Funny thing is, these bushings go bad all the time.
Wow. Downtown. And we're here now attacking them, you know what I'm saying? Trying to get it fixed. So lost out on some money today, but it's better be safe than sorry. It's supposed to be a damn storm in Orlando. So that's what we're dealing with, man. It's just like really bad. Look at that damn thing. It didn't even want to come out.
Oh my ass.
He got it out though. That's that bullshit, man. And that's all it is right there, huh?
Yep. That's it.
And we're getting a new one.
Whole kick the boodle, arms, motor, and all that. That way you ain't gotta worry about none of this.
Happening again.
What's this?
That's supposed to be what we need.
No, it wasn't the motor. It was the linkage.
Okay.
Sir, it was this arm right here that popped off.
Oh, you fixed it?
Popped it back on.
Well,
I don't know how long it's going to be until it comes back
You're gonna
off.
come back off again, yeah.
Well, that's what's up.